It's getting a little cold outside, don't you think? It's getting a little chilly, and all it is just gonna get more and more colder. Icy cold. So I need something to warm me up. So today I'm making Morocco white bean turkey chili. Let's get started. These are a list of the ingredients that would be in the meal. We're going to need the bell pepper and the onion. I'm going to chop this onion up. Put the onion and pepper. Go ahead and get an onion. We're going to go ahead and give it a coarse chop. Like that. Then next is the bell pepper. Chop this bell pepper up. Slice that. And what we're going to do is, once we get it sliced up, we're going to put it in a food processor. And that's going to go ahead and take care of the rest of it for us. Okay, Gerard, will you go ahead and give me the food processor down there? Okay, we got the food processor. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get this and go ahead and open it up and put your peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and get your garlic pressed. You'll put the garlic right here, and then you're gonna press, okay?
In the bowl?
Yeah, go press it in the bowl.
I'm trying to get a good grip on it.
There you go. Just get like just a little bit in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush it off. More garlic in here. You're just gonna press it, okay? And put both hands together, you'll squeeze real tight. Getting it? Ooh, wow. I squirted everywhere.
The bowl?
Okay, after you get your 4 cloves of garlic in there, throw some salt in there.
Don't forget the salt.
Nope, we didn't forget the salt. Let's throw a half teaspoon of salt in here. There, put that in there. Okay, we got our salt in there. Now next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put our turkey in there. And we're gonna rub it all together, and then after that, we're gonna trick in here. We're gonna put our rub in there next. So that's your Moroccan rub. So now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Dry, you want to go ahead and mix them together?
Yep.
All I do is push down. Smash it in there. With the sauce. Yeah, you want to go ahead and give it a good mix. We'll mix all this together. So, wash it in. And we're just gonna put it in there. It's all together. What we're gonna add is a great northern beans. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and smash the meat up after you went ahead and microwave it for just 3.5 minutes. So you're gonna take it out, then you're just gonna smash it up. You ready? You wanna do some smashing?
Yep.
Okay, let me go ahead and smash it just a little bit more. All the sauces in here, the white northern beans in here. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in for 17 minutes back in the microwave. For about 25 minutes, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. You ready to see it dry? Ooh, wow.
What?
Hot.
Did it say it was chili?
Yeah, it's very hot. There you go. So, yeah.
You're gonna start eating it.
Don't eat it yet. Okay, let's turn it back up. All right. Looks good. I'm ready to take a bite. All right. I'm gonna put a little sour cream in mine. Gerard, do you want some sour cream? No? Okay. Well, let's try it out. Let's see what it tastes like.
Hot.
It tastes hot? Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it? Good. Yeah, we can try it, but might put a little too much sour cream in there, but it's all right. Mmm. Wow.
Was expecting it to taste that good.
It's a little hot for him. Now, one thing I did forget was to put the jalapeno peppers in, because we really don't like eating really super hot food. And I really did forget the jalapeno peppers, so I was like, oh man, I forgot those. But anyway, you go ahead and put it on your meal and tell me what you think, how you like it. But thank you for coming to our video. This is Morocco white bean turkey chili. Check it out. This thing right here is awesome. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.